Welcome back to another episode, everybody. I'm down at a farm pond that I haven't fished at since I was like 9, but my cousin and my uncle came here the other day and absolutely smoked some bass and bluegill. I'm going to be fishing for bass today, not bluegill. My dad's starting off with a wacky rig Senko. I am either going to start with a frog or a jig. I'm thinking frog, just because why not throw the frog. But yeah, stay tuned. This should be a good video. Alright guys, frog of choice is just a little poppin' frog, green and white. Crap, I need to hone in my skills. Oh my gosh! So my dad's beating me 3-0. There's my first one. Finally, this fish ate it 3 times. Oh, yes. That's a nice 2-pounder right here. My dad and I doubled up. Look how he ate that frog way down his gullet. Finally, after the 3rd time he ate it, I hooked him. All right, guys, my dad and I doubled up. We're letting both of our fish go. Let's let them over here where there's not all that grass. Oh, good work, Jack. About time I caught one. Number 2. This is so awesome. Number 2. Dad, you're only up 3-2 now. Are you scared? A little bit. All right, guys, let my second fish of the day go. On the frog. Jeez. Yep. My dad's smoking them right now on the Senko.
5-2.
Crap. There he is. 5-3. Crap.
Get another double picture.
Yep, we doubled up again. This pond is money. This is my 3rd one on the frog. 3rd. Yep, it's 5-3 now. 3rd one of the day, going back. Let me just make this cast and I'll get it. That was such a cool explosion. Oh, look how far down he ate that.
Yeah. You got the pliers?
Yeah, they're in my pocket. I don't think I'm gonna need them though. 4th fish of the day, 6-4 now. My dad's winning. All right, guys, got my 4th one of the day. 6-4 now. The challenge is giving him a little toss, letting him go. Oh, this is a big one, Dad. $3.5 pounds. Maybe 4. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. Definitely 3.5. I'll come over there because I'm gonna weigh it. Wow. Guys, that's my biggest one of the day so far. Look how he ate that frog way down in his gullet. About 3.5 pounds. I'm gonna weigh him on the scale. All right, guys, got the scale. Get a quick weight on this boy. Alright, that was a little low. A little off.
326, nice fish.
3 pounds. 3.26 pounds. My biggest bass on a frog that I've ever caught. Nice looking fish. I'm gonna let this big girl go. Alright guys, letting the biggest one of the day so far go. Oh, that water's warm.
Is it?
There she goes. Guys, I'm just hitting you up with a quick update while I'm changing the batteries on my GoPro. It is 10 to 6 right now. We're both doing pretty well. I'm catching them on the topwater frog. My dad's getting them on the wacky rig Senko. And I've got the big fish of the day so far at 3.26 pounds. Nice fish, especially on a frog. Yeah, we're gonna switch ponds at what time? We'll do 8 o'clock. We're switching to the next pond, which is like a 30-yard walk from this pond, which is also full of bass. And we're gonna redo the challenge there. Looks like my dad's gonna win here, but you never know, I might catch like 6 in a row. I'm gonna change this battery and get back to fishing. Alright guys, my dad and I just fished the first challenge. My dad put a hurting on him. What'd you catch, 12?
12.
12 to 9.
10.
10?
10.
Oh, 12 to 10.
Close.
It was close. I lost a lot of fish because I'm terrible. But yeah, we're gonna go down to the second pond and do part 2 of the challenge, which is gonna be the same exact challenge. Hopefully I can win my money back on this one. One just came right out of here.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Be careful in the grass. All right, my dad's already up 1-0. I gotta get down to business.
Small one. Real small one.
Smallest one of the day.
Yeah.
That's a giant. That's a big fish. Look how hard it's pulling. Oh my gosh, this is a huge fish. Or maybe it's just caught in this grass. Oh, oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That might be one. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, let's get a picture.
That's such a giant.
Hold him up good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I brought the scale down. It's so short though. It's short and fat. Oh, that frog just came right out.
Jeez. That's what, you think it's a 5-pounder?
No, I don't think, not quite. It's definitely 4 1/4. Let's get a weight on this big girl.
About 4.
4.04.
Nice.
4.04.
We got the 2 hogs of the day.
Oh yeah. That's a beast, guys. Big fish on the topwater frog. You can't beat it. 4+ pounder. Ugh. If it wasn't so short, it would be a 5. Definitely with that fat belly. Let that big girl go. Well, my dad just caught the second one. 2 casts in this pond. No, 3 casts, 2 fish. 3 casts, 3 fish for all 3 of us. For both of us. I can't talk.
I want to catch a monster.
Oh, he has it. I knew that was a big one as soon as he ate it. I was like, oh, that's a big one. There we go. Whew. Second one, 2 to 2. This one, my last one would be to eat this one. Little guy. Well guys, my dad and I had a great night of fishing tonight. We caught about 40 fish actually. I owe my dad $10 though. He won both challenges, both ponds. But I did catch the 2 biggest fish, which was awesome. 3 1/4 and a 4 pounder. So It was an awesome night of fishing, probably one of my best nights of fishing ever, and we will surely be coming back to this pond soon. But I had an absolute blast tonight. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.